Anything else I can say about you girls? Nothing really. You're really the biggest warrior I've ever seen. Oh, is that your boobs? Uh, no, please don't touch my boobs. Please stop.
Whoa. I think they're just kind of friends at that.
Hmm, I feel like more obsession than crosses up at the start. Okay, it looks like I have to write something down for characteristics. Sorry. Hmm? What do you say no to? Hmm? Can I get something from you, Lammis? He said no because he doesn't want you to get some snacks before or right before you're starting your class. Oh right. Well, I guess I guess I'll be seeing you at lunchtime, Boxxo. See you next time. Huh? What? See you next time. Okay. See ya. Wow, that's some kind of a big talk, right?
Well, if that's my time for lunch, I think Lemons is time for lunch too.
Okay, everybody, it's lunchtime. You may go to the vending machine. Yay! Boxo, can you give me some snacks, please? Like cheese puffs, please. Thank you so much. All is for you. It looks like they're having fun, right, Boxo? Congratulations. Okay, thank you very much.
So I said it too much, don't I?